Hello, in front of me I've got Ajazz AK820 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to a dedicated app. In the beginning, make sure that your keyboard is connected with PC and then go to EPOMAKER, Downloads and Software. Select Ajazz AK820 Pro driver and download it. Now, install the app. Select language, next, next, next. Finish, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.